Welcome back to Island Life Live. Nearly 3 years after the 2023 Maui wildfires, a collaborative healing program under the leadership of Papaola Lokahi continues to support survivors through culturally grounded care for the mind, body, and spirit.
And joining us to tell us more is Corey Lehano. He's the Executive Director for Nohona Health. Aloha, brother. Welcome to the show.
Aloha, mahalo so much for having me.
Well, hey, Corey, first of all, let's start off with what MauiSerg is.
Absolutely. So after the 2023 Maui wildfires, people are still hurting, not just physically, emotionally, spiritually, and culturally. And what the MauiSerg program does is it brings together a collective of providers and organizations to help address some of the needs that our wildfire survivors still have to this day. And all services are free.
Wow, that is amazing. And I know that there's more than a dozen different organizations that are assisting in various ways. So let me ask you, why should people go to Nohona Health for mental health assistance? What makes you guys different?
So at Nohona Health, we believe that healing should feel safe and familiar, right? And so our programs are all place-based, and we do our best to design programming that is relevant and necessary. So everything is based off of place, based off of relationship. We specifically create and cultivate programs that are directed towards our traditional Native Hawaiian healing practices of la'au lapa'au, ho'oponopono. We have many different cultural workshops where members of the community affected by the wildfires can come and partake and, initiate that spiritual, emotional, and cultural healing.
I've been hearing about this alternative learning program called Malama Kilohana Aina Academy. Can you please expound on that? Because it actually sounds pretty exciting.
Yes, absolutely. We are so proud of our students from Central Maui. So the Malama Kilohana Aina Academy is the only alternative learning program for middle school age students here in Central Maui. And what we're doing is we're bringing them out of the classroom, and they're coming to the Aina to work, to learn, and ultimately access skills that they can't do in front of a whiteboard or behind a desk. And so they have the opportunity to experience farming, traditional agricultural practices, other cultural practices, teamwork, hands-on learning, and they've done extremely well. These are all the Kolohe kids who, don't necessarily do well in the Western classroom, but they thrive on Aina. And so we're extremely proud of them. They're all progressing and graduating up into high school now.
We definitely know nowadays that everybody learns differently. Some people excel in a classroom, and some people excel with their hands in the lepo or in the lo'i or on the ocean. So this is awesome that you guys take a multi-pronged approach to connecting with our ohana there on the island of Maui. Now, if people do want to connect with you, Corey, how can they do that?
So we are. You can reach us through our social media at Nohona Health on Instagram. We also have a website, nohonahealth.org, or you can log on to Papaola Lokahi's website, find the MauiSerg tab, and access providers, any of us providers there.
Right on. Mahalo, Corey Lehano. Thank you for everything you guys are doing there at Nohona Health for our ohana on Maui. And on a personal note, please tell your mom I said hi. She was very instrumental in getting both Lena Girl and I on TV back in the day with OC16, Local Kind Grinds, and Overdrive Live. Corey, thank you so much.
Mahalo.
That was such a great talk story with Corey.
Yeah, I haven't seen him in so long. Of course, we haven't seen Mitzi in a while, too.
I know.
Since she retired, but
and it is true. I owe my TV career to her.
Yes, 100%.
I
And
do.
Even high school sports. I mean, she had the vision many, many years ago of putting that on OC16 and just to...
Small little cable network with tiny TV, Local Kind Grinds, Overdrive Live.
The Bradas.
And the Bradas.
Man, so thank you again to Mitzi Lehano for that, and of course Corey Lehano and his team there at Nohona Health.
He has such a gentle demeanor. Just as you're talking story with him, such a gentle demeanor, and I
Kind of match me and him, just that gentle demeanor.
absolutely not. And that's the reason why we have him helping to take care of
for
our
sure.
Lahaina families.
And I just love the different approach. I mean, again, through the MauiSerg and Papaololokahi, they have different types of programs for different types of people because people need to heal in different ways.
Yep, and just like how people learn in different ways, I think when you go through something as traumatic as the Lahaina wildfires, being in that, like you said, people heal in different ways, and sometimes just getting into action and being able to connect with culture at the same time. So my ka'i.
Yeah, what
Love
a win-win.
Yeah.
All right, if you want to get more information, papaololokahi.org/program/maui.surge again, or just papaololokahi.org. Yeah. We're going to take a quick break right now.